A very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, we are going to learn about adjectives of quantity. Quantity. In the previous session, we learned about the adjectives of quality. Okay, so let's revise on the topic before we move on to this topic. Okay, Raika, come on, tell me, what are adjectives?
Ma'am, adjective.
What are adjectives? Adjectives are what?
Ma'am, this is English.
Adjectives are? Naila, come on, tell me, what are adjectives?
Describing words.
Very good. Adjectives are describing words. Okay. All of you, please do understand, children, we are learning about the different kinds of adjectives. So first we need to know what is an adjective is. No? So an adjective is a describing word. First of all, we have to know what is an adjective is. Adjective is a describing word. Then what does it describe? It describes a noun. Okay, noun we already know it. It's the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So adjectives describes a person, place, animal, or a thing. Is that clear to all of you? I made it very, very clear to you. Adjectives are describing words. It describes a noun. So adjectives are words that describes a person, place, animal, or thing. Is that clear to all of you? There are different kinds of adjectives. No, the first kind of adjective we learned was adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes a person. It tells about the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing. As it describes the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing, adjectives of quality are also called as descriptive adjective. What do we call the adjectives of quality, children? What do we call the adjectives of quality? We also call them as descriptive adjective because it describes a person, place, animal, or a thing. I hope it's clear to all of you. Is it clear? Unless we know what is an adjective is, I can't move on to the different kinds of adjectives. So, have all of you understood? Okay, Andrea, come on, tell me, what is an adjective?
Describing word.
Very good, Ajay. Very good, Andrea. Ashika, come on, tell me, what is the first kind of adjective we learnt? Unmute it, please. Yes, what is the first kind of adjective did we learn in the last session? What is the first kind of adjective did we learn? Who can give me the answer? That is what I explained. We have already learned about the adjective and the different kinds of adjectives we learned. The last session we learned about which kind of adjective. Who can give me the answer? Just now I told you. Yes, Siddharth, come on, tell me, which kind of adjective did we learn in the last session? Adjective of quality. All of you please do remember. Quality. 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 So adjective of quality, it tells about the quality of a person, how good or bad. Quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So as it describes the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing, it is also called as descriptive adjective. Clear? It is also called as descriptive adjective. Then what question we have to ask in order to find out the adjective of quality? Who can give me the answer? What question we have to ask? What question does it answer? Hannah Roshan? Where is she? Yes. What question? We need to answer the question. What question we need to ask in order to know the adjective of quality? Hannah?
What?
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 Mm.
Who?
No, what kind of? What is the question we have to ask children? In order to find out the adjective of quality, we have to ask a question, what kind of? We said that rose is a beautiful flower. So we are asking a question, what kind of flower it is? It is a beautiful flower. So beautiful is adjective of quality. Similarly, I bought an expensive chain. In order to know the quality of the chain, says that it is expensive. The chain which I bought, it was very expensive. It tells about the quality of the chain. Okay, so here expensive is the quality. So in order to know the quality or to find out the adjective of quality, we need to ask a question, what kind of? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
Is that clear? What is an adjective? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
adjective?
Yes.
Adjectives are describing words. It describes a person, place, animal, or a thing. Then we learned about the different kinds of adjectives. The first kind of adjectives we learned was adjective of quality. Quality. The adjective of quality tells about the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So it is also called as descriptive adjective. So in order to find out the adjective of quality, we have to ask a question, what kind of? It tells about the quality of a person. So what kind of a person is he? What kind of a thing it is? So we need to ask a question, what kind, in order to know its quality. Okay, so it is also called as descriptive adjective. In today's session, we are moving on to the second kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. All of you say it. Adjective of Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y, quantity. Both it's spelled similar, but we have to know that is quality. Quality means the quality of a person. Here we are talking about the quantity. Quantity means measures. Okay? That is about the quality. Is it good or bad? That is quality. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y, quality. Now in today's session, we are going to learn about the quantity. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y, quantity. Okay? Quantity. Quantity. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y. It's quantity. Quantity tell about the measures. How many or how much. It tells about the numbers, and also it tells about the amount. Okay? Is that clear? It tells about the numbers. How many denotes the number, and how much denotes the amount of a thing. So quantity means we need to know how much or how many. Okay, so we are moving on to let us move on to it. So all of you please get ready with your workbook.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number, I'll tell you. Page number is 25. Please stop talking. Have I not muted you all? So we are in worksheet 15. I hope all of you have finished till worksheet 14. All the exercises are being discussed in the previous session. I hope you have finished. The answer keys will be sent to you. Now we are in worksheet 15 in page number 25. We are going to learn about the adjectives of quantity. Is that clear to all of you? Adjectives of quantity. See the spelling, quantity. So it tells about the measure. Okay, it tells about the amount. So how much tells about the amount of a thing. A-M-O-U-N-T tells about the amount. Here, how many tells about the number. How many things are there on the table, or how many books are there. It tells about or denotes the number here. It denotes the number. Here it denotes the amount. So how much denotes the amount. Amount means, is it little, few, more, many, some? All these are the words. If you're telling that a glass has little milk, okay, so little tells us the amount of milk is there in the glass. Okay, here it tells about the number. There are 4 books on the table. So here it tells about the number. How many books are there on the table. Here it tells about the exact number. Here it doesn't tell us about the exact number, the amount. So we have to ask a question, how much? It tells about the amount of things. Okay. All of you, please do look at the slide. Here, how many tomatoes are there on the table, children? 3 are there. So there are 3 tomatoes on the table. So what question we have to ask? We have to ask a question. How many tomatoes are there on the table? So we got the answer 3. So here 3 is the adjective of quantity here. Got it? Yes, clear? Yes? Yes, done. So here there are 3 in number. 3 is adjective of quantity. It tells about the number. And so we have to ask a question, how many? No. In certain cases, it doesn't tell us about the exact number. In that case, what we should do, we have to ask a question, how much? How much tells us the amount of the thing. It doesn't exactly tell us the number. Okay, for only countable, we can go for the numbers. For uncountable things, we have to ask the question, how much? Is it little, less, more, few, all, some? These are the words. Okay, so here are a few examples for you. There aren't many grains in the sack. There aren't many grains in the sack. So here, many is adjective of quantity here. It tells about the amount of grain there. So we have to ask how much. Okay, so here, many is the adjective of quantity. It tells about the amount of grain in the sack. Now, there isn't much milk in the glass. So we can find the glass. That's why I showed you the picture even. There is no full milk here. Only there isn't. Isn't means is a negative sense. There isn't means there's no much milk in the glass. You know the meaning. Okay, there isn't much milk. There's only very little milk in the glass. Okay, so much is the adjective of quantity here. So here it tells about the amount of milk is there in the glass, not the number of milk. Here it is uncountable. So we are asking about the amount. If it is a countable, we can count it by numbers. Here we can't count it. So we have to ask a question, how much? It tells us only the amount of milk. Little or more or less or whatever it is. Now, here it is much milk and many grains. Okay, so much, it stands only for singular, and here many stands for plural. Okay, all this we'll be learning when we learn just for us to know it. Okay, now there is an exercise. Let's move on to it. Jimmy eats a whole apple daily. Whole apple means the full apple daily. Here, whole is the adjective of quantity here. Adjective of quantity. Quantity, quantity. Okay, here whole. So we need to ask, it tells about the amount of apple he eats every day. He eats the whole apple every day. Okay, here whole is the adjective of quantity. Now let's move on to the next example. There is no milk in the glass. Okay, nothing is there. No milk in the glass. So here, no is adjective of quantity. Tells about the amount of milk is there in the glass. There is no milk there. Okay. Now, you can see the jar here. You can't see the jar is not full. It has only very little juice there. Okay. All the juice are being drank by us, by the children. Okay, so there is a little juice in the jar. So little is adjective of quantity. It tells about the amount of juice is there in the jar. Okay, so we need to ask a question, how much? Here we can't ask the question how many. Only for numbers we can ask the question how many. Here in this situation where it doesn't tell us about the exact number, we have to ask the question how much. So how much juice is left in the jar? Only little is there. Okay. Now, all the students have passed the test. All. Here, all is the adjective of quantity. It tells about everyone. Now, let's have a recap on the topic. Nothing much to recap. So, adjective of quantity. Quantity tells us how much or how many. How many means numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much means it tells us about the amount of the things. So, tells us how much or tells us about the how much or how many of a thing we are referring to. Okay, how many means numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only how many means numbers. How much means amount. Amount of milk, amount of water, amount of sugar, grains, everything. So how do we are not going to measure it. We are saying it by few, some, much, a little, few, all these are the words used. So in order to know what, these are the adjective of quantity. Okay, so they're always followed by a noun. An adjective of quantity can be definite. Definite means if it tells about the exact number, then we have to use the question, how many? Okay, then if it doesn't tell us about the exact number, then we have to ask a question, how much? Here it tells us about the much, many, whole, some, little. These are the adjectives of quantity, which tells about the measurement. That is the how much is the amount of things. Okay, not the exact measurement means it tells about the number. Here it doesn't tell us about the exact number, but it tells about the amount of something or amount of things we have. So much, many, whole, some, little, all are adjectives of quantity. Okay, so now let's move on to the exercises which are there in the workbook, children. There's nothing much. Only thing we need to know is adjectives are describing words. It describes a word. It describes a noun. And we have learned about the two different kinds of adjectives. First, we learned about the adjectives of quality. And today we learned about the adjectives of quantity. In quality, we need to ask a question, what kind of? But for the quantity, we need to ask how much or how many. How many tells us the number and how much denotes the amount of anything. Okay, now let's move on to the exercises. All of you, please get ready with your workbook. Take your pencils in your hand. So we are in worksheet. This color will do, children. Worksheet 15. So pick out the adjective of quantity in the following sentence. Pick out the adjectives of quantity in the following sentences. In the Okay, pick out the adjective of quantity in the following sentences. We'll move on to the first one. Step back 3 paces. Okay. Abhinav Krishna, come on, read the first question.
Pick out the adjective of quantity in the following sentence. Step back 3 paces.
Step back 3 paces. So pick out the adjective of quantity in this.
3.
So 3 is adjective of quantity here. Has, it tells about how many paces are there. So how many paces are there, children?
3.
How many are there? 3. Okay. So 3 is the adjective of quantity here. Okay. So all of you please do underline it. Okay. Now we'll move on to the second question. I have told, T-O-L-D, told you many times already. So I have told you many times already. Now pick out the adjective of quantity in the sentence. Okay, I'll be calling out your names. Let me see who can do it now. Arav, Krishna, Arav, do the second question. Come on. If you can't see the board, you can take page number 25. I think so the board is legible to everyone, no? Yes, I have told you. Come on, Arav, read the question. Are you not able to unmute it? Please do unmute it. Yes, read the question. I have told you. Come on, Arav, unmute it. Once you have unmuted it. Again, unmute it. Come on, Arav, unmute it. Again, it is muted. Yes, come on, read the question.
I have told you
many
times
already. Already. So we'll pick out the adjective of quantity here, which is the word which tells us quantity. So ask a question.
Ma'am, times.
No, times is not. How many? You many times already. So.
Ma'am, all right.
No, that is not the answer. Many is the right answer. Many tells us about the adjective of quantity. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. So we are on the next question. Okay. So many is the adjective of quantity, children. Please do underline it. Now we'll move on to the third question. Are you all ready? Yes. I spoke a few words to the men. To the men. Okay. So here, Alvina, come on, read the question, Alvina. Unmute it and read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I spoke a few words to the men.
Okay, now come on, pick out the adjective of quantity here.
Few.
Few, very good. Here it tells about how much it is. Okay, how much it tells about the quantity. So here, few is the correct answer. So few. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. Fourth question. He is 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90 years of age. Years of age. Okay. So here he is 90 years of age. Iron, come on, Iron. Read the next question. Unmute it. Yes, do it. He is 90 years of age.
He is 90 years of age.
Okay, pick out the adjective of quantity here.
90.
90, yes. Here it tells about the number. Okay, 90. So 90 is adjective of quantity here. All of you please do underline it. Now we'll move on to the fifth question. Okay, so we are in the fifth question. He made 5 goals in the third match. In the third match. Okay, he made 5 goals in the third match. So we need to pick out the adjective of quantity in this sentence. So who can tell me? Adiga, come on, tell me. Adiga, come on, tell me. Which is the adjective of quantity here? Adiga, read the question. He made 5 goals. Yes, read the fifth question. He
made 5 goals
in the third match. So pick out yes, 5 goals. And also it is third. Okay. These are the two answers. Okay. He made 5 goals in the third match. 5 tells about the number and also it's third. It's time for us to wind up today's session. So it's time for us to wind up today's session. Okay. So I hope you have finished. The rest of
which class?
Yes, what is that?
Ma'am, this is which